So my dad is first going to spray some water on it, on the swamp, so that it becomes a bit calm. We have to get something to hold the bees inside so that they won't fly away, and we can place the whole thing in the box immediately. So there we go. That was the very first step after spraying the water. Now we are going to put it inside, and my dad is going to close the box so that the queen does not escape or any other bees don't escape. But as you can see, there are a lot more bees left, so we'll be rescuing them as well. So that's fixed now. Now we'll go and get the other bees inside. So that's the rest of it. Now my dad is going to go bare-handed, just going to remove the other bees like that, just like that, with his bare hands. And that was really brave, and I think he deserves a like for it. So make sure to like and subscribe, please. So now he's going in. He's doing it. So the bees are all over. I think a lot of bees have already bitten him. So he's going to switch to probably something more helpful. We'll see what happens. So he's determined to do this work for the safety of these bees, and it's really helpful in the garden as well so that the bees help in the pollination of flowers and lotuses. So now he's going with a hat, still using his hand and probably getting stung a lot right there. So he just removed the... Okay, so he's just taking a look at how to remove the rest of the bees. So he's gonna go with his hand again, and it's really painful to watch as well. There, so see, he got hurt, like stung by a bee again maybe. So he's trying to bend the branch so that the bees would probably fly away and probably would find the queen bee and get inside the box. Blowing at them makes them a little bit calmer, and maybe they can fly away from there as well. So there we go, he's going again with his hand. Here he's just removing the bee's stung, and it really did hurt. So there we go. So after this, the last step will be to spray some water, and then we are going to take a short interview of Mr. Bhushan Shirke. So how was your experience catching the swamp?
Yeah, it was very good. As usual, I had caught them in my bee whale, honey bee whale. It is very easy to do. So after catching them, I have put the bee whale into the box, honey box, so that they live there easily. But the swarm was quite strong, and the place where it was there was not easy to catch. So I had to struggle for that. And so I got lots of bites on my hands, lots of swollen. You can see that more than 50-70 honeybees, they would have taken a bite, and you can say this, easily swollen up. Aha, nicely swollen up. Now it's just doing like this, I can't explain these words. It's just moving. If I move, it pains at the center. Quite good swollen part here also. and all my nerves, they are tightened up, just like I have done my exercise. After doing the exercise, how will you feel after 150 pull-ups? I'm feeling like that. See, this is just not easy to turn up my fingers. So good experience, good colony. Hopefully I could retain that.
Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.